Gina Acosta.
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is premised on her answer a while ago that she said because they had to submit that to COA, the acknowledgement. That's why I'm asking this question again.
Argumentative misleading, Your Honor.
I think you've established your point, Counsel,
Yes, Your Honor.
both
I
to
will
the
move
senator
on.
judges and to the public. It is argumentative.
I will move
move
on.
on to your next point, Counsel.
Much obliged, hindi po ba obligasyon mo bilang SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts na sinasabi nyo na magpapatunay na tinanggap ng mga recipients yung pera ng taong bayan. Trabaho mo as SDO na busisihin yung mga acknowledgement receipts, hindi po ba?
Trabaho ko po, Your Honor, pero sa dami-dami po ng acknowledgement receipt, hindi ko po maalala lahat,
Yun.
Your Honor, yung mga ibang detalles kagaya ng mga names, Your Honor, kasi
And I will help you remember, ma'am. Don't worry. Now, I'm showing you now an itemized confidential expenditures as stated sa accomplishment report nyo for the period December 21 to 31, 2022. Okay, show. Para po matulungan natin si Gina Acosta maalala yung nangyari in 2022, 4 na taon nakalipas. Show this on screen, please.
decision.
Surveillance and monitoring. That one. The total amount, okay, while it's being shown, in the process being shown, you will confirm that for an 11-day duration, December 21 to 31, 2022, yung Office of the Vice President nagbayad ng kabuuhang 16 million pesos. Nakasulat sa accomplishment report ninyo, rental of other incidental expenses relative to the maintenance of safe houses. 16 million pesos rental from December 21 to 31. 11 days. Confirm, Madam Acosta. Now this time, naaalala nyo na po ba? Andyan po, rental of other incidental expenses, letter C, 16 million pesos.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ang binigay po sa akin na utilization po, hindi po kagaya doon, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Anyways, you look at the document. Accomplishment report. You show it. It's there.
Kasi po, ang sa screen po, nakalagay po, Your Honor, is 132. At ang ditong
Wala ma'am, wala.
po, Your Honor, is
Klaro po ma'am,
187.
klaro po ma'am. December 21 to 31.
Sir,
And then rental, ayan, 16 million pesos. Oo. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. We'll show it to you.
oh.
Yes.
For the record, witness
Natin.
gave the thumbs up sign, which means
Okay.
yes in the affirmative. Tama, ma'am?
16
Opo.
million. Sorry po, sir po, Your
Same
Honor.
na po ang aking kopya
Mhm.
sa screen po, Your Honor.
Okay.
16 million pesos from December 21 to 31, 2022, 11 days. Tanong, hindi niyo po ba masasabi ito ay unconscionable, kasuklam-suklam, or extravagant, or labis-labis?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Wait. Not yet done. Nasa circular, trabaho ng
Attorney Ligotan
COA tingnan kung unconscionable ba or extravagant yung expenses. That's why I'm asking this witness now.
The witness is not from COA, Your Honor.
I'm not... The witness...
Are you done, Attorney Ligotan?
Not yet, Your Honor. In fact, I'm not yet done with the question, Your Honor. Hindi po ba kasuklam-suklam, labis-labis, in English, unconscionable and extravagant, as mentioned in the circular, for the office of the Vice President to spend 16 million pesos in 11 days or a total of 1.4 million pesos. Hindi nga per month per day.
Now, Counsel, Attorney Lyndon, what
Same
is your
objection,
objection?
Your Honor, with the addition that it's also compound, Your Honor.
What was the first objection, Counsel?
It's argumentative, Your Honor.
I will have to overrule it, Counsel. Kindly answer the question, ma'am, just with one variation. Unconscionable is not kasuklam-suklam. Mahirap tanggapin, mahirap makonsensya, pero hindi naman kasuklam-suklam ang unconscionable, Counsel. With that clarification, witness may answer? Hindi ba nyo nakita?
Sorry po, Your Honor, Hana. I was confused.
Hindi ba kayo nahirapang tanggapin na ganong kalaki yung gastusin para sa December 21 to 31 lamang na pagrenta ng mga safe house? Hindi po ba para sa inyo? Katanggap-tanggap po ba yon o hindi?
Ako po, Your Honor, nag-rely po ako sa mga dokumento na binigay sa akin ng security officer, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang nag-implement doon sa ground, Your Honor. Wala po ako doon, Your Honor, kasi
So-
wala po akong access sa mga security, Your Honor.
So,
Kaya nag-rely po ako sa security officer namin na Sir La Chica, Your
So
Honor.
pag nagsabi nag-rely, inasahan nyo lamang po yung binigay sa inyong fund utilization, kaugnay at kabilang na yung renta na ganyan ang amount. Apo? Umasa
Your
lang kayo
Honor.
sa binigay sa inyong report na 16 million yung renta ng iba't ibang safe house sa loob ng 21 to 31 December.
Yes, Your Honor, nag-rely po ako sa aming security officer, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang nag-implement, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let me proceed.
Proceed, Counsel.
Let's take a look at the same list from the accomplishment report. For the period December 21 to 31, the amount for the purchase of supplies, provision of medical food aid. Okay? If we sum that up, it totals a whopping 75 million pesos para sa supplies, provision of medical and food aid. 75 million pesos. Tanong, ikaw ba ay in possession ng isang single official receipt na magpapatunay na talagang ginamit yung 75 million pesos para sa pagbili ng supplies, medical and food aid? Do you have a single ni isang official receipt? Yes or no?
Your Honor, nag-rely po ako kung anong mga dokumento ang binigay sa akin ng security officer, Your Honor.
There you go again. The question is so simple. Do you or do you not have a single official receipt to prove na ginamit yung 75 billion pesos na pera ng taong bayan sa pagbili ng supplies, medical and food aid?
As an answer, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, yung binigay sa inyong dokumento ng security officer para i-liquidate itong pinambili ng medical at saka food supplies, may kabilang po bang resibo doon o wala? Official receipt o wala po?
Acknowledgement receipt lang po, Your Honor. Kasi po sa...
So wala pong official receipt. Yun lang po yung tanong ni Attorney Ligutan. So wala pong binigay na official receipt yung security officer sa inyo kaugnay sa kabuang halagang ito ng 75 million sa purchase of supplies, medical and food aid.
Acknowledgement receipt po, Your Honor.
Alright.
So wala pong OR. Alam niyo naman po ma'am ibig sabihin ng OR, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So wala pong official receipt.
Wala po, Your
Wala
Honor.
po. Okay, Attorney Ligutan.
So, ito yung tanong now. Ba't hindi kayo naghanap? Galing kay Colonel La Chica. Hindi nyo ba naisip, ma'am, Colonel La Chica, kahit ba yung pagbili ng gamot? Yung pagbili, is this an advertisement? Biogesic? Paracetamol? Ba't hindi tayo mag-produce ng official receipt? Ano po yung napaka-confidential kung saan binili? Biogesic, paracetamol. Ano yung confidential? Hindi mo ba naisip tanungin kay Colonel La Chica yan?
Objection, Your Honor. Compound and argumentative, Your Honor.
I'll allow it for now, counsel. Kindly answer, Ms. Gina. Hindi niyo ba naisip humingi ng OR?
Your Honor, as I browse or as I verify po ng mga acknowledgement receipt na binigay sa akin ni SO Officer Colonel La Chica, naitanong ko po siya kasi may napansin po ako na ang iba walang date, walang name, may perma. Ang sagot naman sa akin ni SO Officer, Ma'am Gina, kung ano man ang binigay ko sa iyo na mga dokumento, yun na yun. Kasi ang mga transaction or ang operation doon is very sensitive information. Sensitive information po, Ma'am Gina. At saka confidential po ito. Kaya kung ano ang binigay ko sa iyo na mga acknowledgement receipt, yun po, yun.
Yun na yun.
Okay.
With the indulgence of counsel, matapos kayong makatanggap ng AOM galing sa COA ICFAO na naghahanap ng resibo, hindi nyo hiningan pa rin si Colonel La Chica ng resibo? Hindi po ba yun ang nilalaman ng isa sa mga AOM na kailangan yung purchase of food and medical supplies may resibo? So ano pong ginawa nyo nun?
Nag-reply po ang office yun, Your Honor, pero hindi ko po masyado i-relate kung ano yung exact reply namin for that, Your Honor.
Nag-reply po pero bugso dahil sa kadahilanan, sa rason ng AOM, hindi po kayo nang hingi pa rin ng OR kay Colonel La Chica sa security officer. Sumagot na lang po yung opisina.
Sumagot po ang opisina, Your Honor. Tsaka, Your Honor, ang sabi po, kasi po, yung transaction na po, Your Honor, is confidential po, Your Honor.
Kaya nga sapat na sa inyo yung sagot ni Colonel La Chica nung sinabi niyang yun na yun, confidential yan, tinanggap niyo po yun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay, let's
Tanggalin ko
proceed. Ma'am, ano yung sinasabi